studying 4th standard A section in St. Joseph Nazarian Primary School. Today I am speak about Kamarajar Kumarasamy. Kamarajar, popularly known as Kamarajar. He was born on 15th July in 1903 Virudhunagar at district of Tamil Nadu. His parents were Kumarasamy and Sivagami Ammal. Kamarajar served as the third Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. He opened many schools and introduced Naga Trusters in Tamil Nadu. He introduced education, free midday meal schemes at all government schools. His government was known as Golden Period of Tamil Nadu. He died on 2nd October 1975, aged 72 in Chennai. Thank you.